Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh and I'm back with a new topic of the tourism management, which is known as the India as a tourist destination. As Indians or as the other country persons as well, we know that India is a vast country in the world and consists of n number of attractive places for the travel and tourism purposes. There are n number of foreigners who come up to India in terms of the traveling purpose. For example, Goa, for example, Agra, for example, New Delhi. These are some examples of the travel and tourism places where the amount of foreigner or the foreign tourists are very high. This is just to spend a memorable and unforgettable holiday trip of their life. India is famous for the tourism because each and every state has its own different tourist attraction. For example, some are famous for their history, some are famous for their art and architecture, some are spiritually attractive, and so on. There are other content of tourist destination, a place where the India is a right place for the wildlife safaris, deserts, safaris, nature seeking places, honeymoon spots, adventurous activities, spiritual places, and the other historical places of India. History, and let's talk about on each and every part of the history and architecture as well. India is a famous for many of the historical monuments. For example, the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra, and it is basically a historical place. Reason is it was built by King Shah Jahan for the in the memory of his beloved wife. The tourists can lodge in these kind of royal places, palaces to experience the royalty of the Indian kings. For example, the Rajasthan area, which is very much an interesting place, which is only and only India, as known, is famous for many of the historical and the architectural sites of available in the India used for majorly for the tourism and travel purposes. For example, if you talk about the Rajasthan area, so that particular state is mainly famous for the archaeological and historical places. For example, the kingdoms of royal palaces, the kingdoms of the royal families, the Maharajas and the Maharajas of the Rajputanas, and other old categories of the dynasties are still available there. Now these kind of tourist places are now being converted into various kind of palaces and hotel areas as well. There are many of the royal places which are now converted into world's best hotels and the resorts. The tourists now can lodge in these royal palaces to experience the royalty of Indian kings, and as well as which gives you an immense pleasure to look out the architectural skills of that all those monuments and the palaces. Reason is on that particular time the technology was not too advanced as compared to this current scenario or the era. This gives us immense pleasure to introduce our country, which is immensely indulged in the various kind of history and the architectural effects in India as well as a tourist destination. For example, there are many monuments available in India which are an example of magnificent art and architecture. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Sheesh Mahal, etc. These are the some historical monuments in India which attracts the scenic or the science seekers also due to the science behind the construction of these monuments. For example, Jantar Mantar is a kind of an old famous observatory in India which gives you various position of sun, and it is mainly available one in Ujjain and other in New Delhi. So these monuments are meant keeping in mind various kind of architectural advancements and the science informations as well, but still now as well the science seekers are unable to get on to the reason of these kinds of monuments and the science behind it. India is also known as the heaven of nature. That means India is also very rich in the natural attraction where the people come up to India to experience the natural beauty of the atmosphere, the waterfalls, the birds, beautiful parks, etc. There are various different waterfalls, lakes, rivers, hill stations which are a tourist attraction. For example, Manali, for example, Sikkim, for example, Leh Ladakh. These are some of the examples which actually give a meaning, a proper meaning to India as the heaven of nature. There are various kind of hill stations in India which are very much famous for their pleasant and blissful environment. Most of the tourist attractive places which gives an utmost beautiful atmosphere and the topmost hills in the entire world. For example, the Mount Abu hill station, the Pichola Lake in Udaipur, the Dal Jheel or the Dal Lake in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh. Ladakh is also very famous for its trekking roads. Along with that, there are certain places in Ladakh as well where you cannot find the actual reason behind that particular attractive places. For example, the Nubra Lake Valley. There are various different falls in Kerala which gives you immense pleasure while looking at it. As many old saints said that the Atiti Deva Bhava, or the God resides in each heart. And yes, India is very much a country which believes in spirituality and harmony. India is a very spiritual country because of nowhere you can see the world as much as India can. India is totally filled up with a lot of number of large temples starting from the Ujjain till Kanyakumari, or let's say to Kerala to Kanyakumari. There are many foreigners who mostly like to visit India for the learning yogas. For example, majorly we have the Kerala section or the Tamil Nadu section, which gives you a lot many areas where you can develop your yogic science, and still there are many of the areas in these southern India that deals into yogic science and the spiritual and harmony. There are various different temples in India which attract tourists mostly as a Jainism or the Buddhism temples and others. India can also be defined as the place for the seeking yoga, meditation and traditional practices which helps us in different ways. Not in terms of physical advancement or the physical well-being, but as a mental peace and mental well-being as well. There are various famous spiritual centers available in India which are very famous in various kind of or other various others castes, creeds. For example, the Golden Temple at Amritsar is very famous for the Sikhism. Dharamshala in Manali in Himachal Pradesh, Parmarth Niketan in Rishikesh. These are certain famous spiritual centers. Not even these, but for example, the Jama Masjid in New Delhi is a very famous spiritual center for Muslims. For the Rajasthan areas, there are various other famous temples. For the Nathdwara is a very famous spiritual centers available in India, and it also gives an different outlook of India as a spiritual country in the world. There are various safaris as well which attracts people who are very adventurous in nature. There are various famous different types of safaris such as wildlife safaris, desert safari, etc. For example, the Gir forest is a safari in India, in the Gujarat area of India. Then we have the Kaziranga National Park, we have Bandhavgarh Lion Reserve Forest, etc. are some safaris which are available in India, and these are the most adventurous trip of once in a lifetime experience. Desert safari in Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner are very famous in India, as Rajasthan is the desired place for the desert safaris and camps in deserts. Tourists can enjoy the safari with jeeps or the camels. Tourists can enjoy the campfire at the desert during night by enjoying the cultural performance of the residents of that particular area. Some examples of safari spots are Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner and the Nubra Valley. The area of North India is very famous for the adventurous acts. Yes, in the North Indians or the areas near to the Himalayans or the Himalaya region ranges are very much famous for the adventurous trips done by majorly youngsters or the persons who are very indulged in the adventure sports. These famous adventurous acts in India are, for example, the bungee jumpings, the trekkings, the paragliding, scuba diving, dune bashing, etc. The feeling you will get while doing these acts is weird and unforgettable in your life. There are very various places which are very much famous for the adventurous trips and acts in India. For example, the Rishikesh, Bir Biling, Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Rajasthan, etc. are some examples which are famous for the adventurous trips. India is very famous for its delicious foods, as we all know that India is subdivided into various number of states, and each and every state have their own regional cuisines. India is, apart from the tourist places, India is also very famous for its delicious foods. The foods available in the streets, the restaurants are very much delicious and tasty. As a human, apart from the tourist attraction, the food comprises of various taste, textures, flavors, and all those things which are locally available in the local market. Sorry, which are easily available in the local market. Every state had its unique specialty in food items or the cuisine specialty in cuisines, where wherever you go in India, the food will not disappoint you. That is for sure. There are many tourists who actually taste India on the basis of the hot and spicy food available in n number of tourist areas and a variety of food in your own locality. Art and culture. Yes, as India is a place of diversified cultures, diversified families, diversified arts. India can also be said as the land of art and culture with diversification in each and every aspect. During the festival, you can experience the Indian art and culture at the time of different festivals. These art and culture will be reflected at the utmost. Each and every land or each and every area of India is famous for its various local arts. The artisans over here gives you immense things which maybe you have seen only in the televisions or you have read in the newspaper, but each and every person who are very connected to the art and architecture and the culture of India is very much got connected to these kind of travelings. The various forms of dance, music, the musical instrument, the vocals, or the areas for which these art and culture is the only bread and butter for that particular area. For example, the Leh, the Karnataka, Chennai, etc. These are some states in Indian country or in India which are very famous for their art and culture and the art and artisans. The another attraction in India is shopping. There are many shopping complexes nearby the tourist places where you can get each and every available different activities, attractive things. The foreigners, India is also famous for the shopping arcade or the markets which is available in the locality of the place you are visiting in. For example, each and every state or each and every city have their own diversification of artifacts, handicraft, souvenirs, handlooms. These are the some major attractions in India for the shoppings. So, it is always keep in mind that whenever you visit India, please do not forget about the shopping arcade of India, or let's just say, do not forget to shop in the Indian market. India is also famous for the luxurious journey. There are certain trains which are very famous in terms of the luxurious journeys. For example, Palace on Wheels are some of the examples. Over here, it is basically a train which is available for the tourist experience the royalty of Rajasthan land. There are certain other topmost and aging luxurious needs of the tourists. There will be the resorts and the hotels, all are nearby the most popular tourist places. These luxurious journeys are the maintenance of these resorts and hotels are neat and luxurious to spend a holiday trip with all needs as you feel at home. India is also very famous for the hospitality, as we follow the slogan Atiti Deva Bhava. However, India is a very desired place for the tourism because India is a mixture of all different types of tourist destination. So, in terms of if you are planning up a visit or a trip in your near future, India is one of the best tourist destination to experience the warmth and the well-being of these places available in India with a lot of warmth and hospitality. Thank you so much.